So if you have booked a campsite and you don't know how to get back into your registration, the very easiest way to do it is to find the original confirmation email that was sent to you upon booking. So here's an example of what that might look like. Thanking you for reserving your campsite. If you scroll down just a little bit and click at View and or Edit your registration details, it's going to bring you into your registration. So by simply clicking on this portion of the link in that, it's going to bring you into your registration. If for whatever reason you lost the email that you got, or maybe you're no longer the camp coordinator and you need to get access to your summer camp registration, maybe it's been months or maybe it's been a whole year since you've registered for Many Point or Tomahawk and you don't know how to get into your registration, please don't make a new registration. You have a registration, and if you want to check if you have a registration, you can simply go like you were signing up, take a look at one of the subcamps, and take a look at the campsite matrix. If you are booked for camp, you will see your troop number under the campsite that you are expecting to see your troop. If you do see your troop number but you still don't have access, you can do a couple different things. You can email us. You can call us. The numbers for Tomahawk and Many Point are 612-261-2455 for Tomahawk and 2465 for Many Point. At the top of the registration page, there is a lookup option. And so if you know that you are the camp coordinator and you just forgot your email and you need to get into your registration, you can do so by going to Lookup Registration. Once you've submitted that request to get access by putting in your email address, you're going to receive an email from the Northern Star Scouting System. Once you've submitted your request for login, it will send an email to the email address that you put in, and that email will contain a listing of all of the registrations associated with that email address. So for this example, I've got some old University of Scoutings and NRA trainings and other components, including a registration for Chippewa. So if I click on this link, it brings us right back into our registration, and now we have access again. Once again, bookmark this page so that you can get back to it. You can share this link, this URL, with other people in your troop that you trust to help you with your planning.